أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are learning about fragments, and we have learned three fragments already, and this is the fourth fragment we are learning. Ismul Ishara and Musharun Ilay. Today the plan is to conclude this inshallah. Uh, and then from next week the plan is to do a brief revision of the fragments, and then we move on to inshallah something else. So these are the building blocks, the properties of ism that we learned, the four properties of ism: status, gender, number, and type. We have to be good at this. And we have to be good at these four types of fragments as well. These are the building blocks that go into the foundation of learning Arabic. Without this, you will not be able to learn Arabic. So that is why we have been going really slow and trying to make sure that everybody, or at least most of us, understand this thoroughly. Because if you're not good at this, you will struggle the whole way. You will not be comfortable. So this is the time to be comfortable with these concepts. And then you will have a good journey when you are learning Arabic. But if you did not spend enough time here, enough effort here, it's gonna be a difficult journey otherwise. So I still encourage you, there's still time to revise, go back to the videos, that we were recorded earlier. If you are not clear about something, clear those concepts. And inshallah, it will help you and make things easier for you. So today as I said, we will be finishing our study of Ismul Ishara, Musharun Ilay. So before I do anything, I would like to see some people give me all the four tables. Like start from the first one and go all the way. So all the four tables. So I see a couple of hands already. So Zainab, would you start from Haza, and give me all the four tables, please. Go ahead.
Haza means this. Hazani, Hazaini, Hazaini, and Ha'ula'i. And there's Hazihi, which is the feminine version, which is like this for a feminine noun. Hazihi, Hatani, Hataini, Hataini. And then there's Zalika, which means that.
No. What's the plural? You missed the plural in
Oh,
this.
sorry, Ha'ula'i, which is the same for both of them. Okay. And then the next is Zalika, which means that for the male noun. Zalika, Zanika, Zainika, Zainika. And then there's Tilka, which is that for the feminine.
You missed the
Okay,
plural again.
Ulaika. Sorry,
Yeah.
Ulaika. And then there's Tilka, which is again that, but for the female noun. Tilka, Tanika, Tainika, Tainika, and Ulaika.
All right. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Zainab. Very good. Okay, Ibrahim Akhtar is going to give us all the four tables. Go ahead, Ibrahim.
Okay, so for masculine, it's hada, hadani, hadaini, hadaini, and haulai. And then for feminine, it is hadhihi, hatani, hataini, hataini, and haulai. And then for the far masculine would be dhalika, dhalika, and then the dual dhanika, zainika, zainika, and then ulaika. And for the feminine would be tilka, and then for dual it's danika, tainika, tainika, and ulaika.
Very good. Thank you, Ibrahim. Musab Iqbal, go ahead.
For near masculine, هذه هذان هذين هذين هؤلاء.
Hold on a second. Start all over again, Musab.
For near masculine, هذا هذان هذين هذين هؤلاء. For near feminine, هذه هذا هذه هذان هذين
هاتاني هاتيني هاتيني.
هاتان هاتين هؤلاء. And then for four masculine, ذلك ذانك ذينك ذينك أولئك. And for four feminine, تلك تانك تينك تينك أولئك.
All right, good. Good job, Musa. Abdul Haq. Go ahead.
Which one first? Fournier?
Fournier, yes, please.
هذا هذان هذين هذين هؤلاء هذه هاتان هاتين هاتين هؤلاء. For four is ذلك ذلك ذينك ذينك أولئك. For feminine it is تلك تانك تينك تينك أولئك.
Good job, Abdul Haq. Very nice. Okay, Daniel, one question for you now. What is the rafa form of haza?
The rafa form of هذا is هذا.
How about nasab?
هذا.
Sure. So
هذا.
haza doesn't change, eh?
No, it's
No.
non-flexible.
Non-flexible. How about the rafa form of dual in zalika?
ذانك.
What's the nasab?
ذينك.
What's the jar?
ذينك.
Good, good. Thank you,
It's
Daniel.
partly flexible.
Very good. Shifa, is ulaika rafa, nasab or jar? What is it? Ulaika.
It's all of the statuses.
Could have any of those status because it doesn't show its status and it is partly or fully flexible or non-flexible.
Not flexible.
Non-flexible. Good, good. And Ayan, the question for you is, what is the rafa form of tilka?
Rafa form for tilka would be
Nasab,
tilka.
jar.
Tilka.
So tilka is what? Fully flexible, non-flexible, or partly flexible?
Non-flexible.
Non-flexible. It doesn't show its status, right? So we have to figure out about based on the role it is playing in the ayah. All right, good. So we are good with the tables. Then we looked at how there is a word that is used to point, and then there is a word that is being the word that is used to point at something. And then we call the word used to point is الاشارة, the one that is pointed at, musharun ilay. So what is the condition for musharun ilay? Is Ibrahim with us? Ibrahim Asif. What is the condition for musharun ilay? The essential condition.
That it has to have a al with it, and it has to match with all the statuses.
All the properties, you mean, right? Yeah. All right, good. So it has to have an al with it, and then it has to match with the ismul ishara with respect to all of its four properties: status, gender, number, and type. Good job, Ibrahim. Thank you. And then haza is ismul ishara, musharun ilayhi is al baytu in this case. It means this house. Okay. We have done this already, so I will not go through this again. We will inshallah do something new. I'm just gonna go through this quickly. I'm not gonna go over this slide either. We done this as well. So what was the message here? When musharun ilayhi is a broken plural, then the ismul ishara used for it is generally singular feminine. So remember this. When musharun ilayhi is a broken plural, then the ismul ishara used for it is singular feminine, because broken plurals are treated as singular feminine in Arabic language. So it has to match. So if they can only match if we use an ismul ishara, which is singular and feminine. So remember this, okay? It will be very useful when you are understanding Quran. So next exercise is on the top row in purple color, you will see some words. I have given their English and Arabic. So houses means in English, in Arabic, buyutun. Earth is earth. Pens, aqlamun. So there are different words and given them the English and their Arabic translation. So this is the vocabulary. And you are going to use this vocabulary to answer my questions now. So this Quran, this is a ismul ishara musharun ilay. This, the word this is ismul ishara and Quran is musharun ilay. And I need someone to translate this for me. This is very, very easy. Brother Asif, would you like that? Would you like
जी
to do
अस्सलाम
this?
वालेकुम
Walaikum salam.
हाजा हाजल Quran. This is
Say
Haza.
it with confidence. Say it with confidence, inshallah.
Okay.
It will be good.
Haza. I just have to write. Hazal Quran. No.
Yeah, yeah. Say it loud.
Hazal Quran. Quran.
Quranu or Quranun?
Hazal Quranun. No, Quranu. Hazal Quran.
Quranu. Because
Quranu,
when
yeah.
al comes, we
Yes,
cannot
it's a
use
single.
tanween
Yeah,
anymore, right?
exactly.
Yeah. So
Hazal
Hazal
Quran.
Quran. Very
Hazal
good.
Quran.
Very good.
Jazak-
Thank you, Brother Asif. Okay. We go to Nausheen. Nausheen, your task is give me the translation of that book.
ذلك كتاب
Say it again. Zalika is good.
ذلك كتاب
Did you put an al with musharun ilay?
ذلك الكتاب.
And when we join the two, it will be zalikal kitabu. Makes sense?
Yes.
Yeah. Musharun ilay should have an al with it. All right. Okay. Those houses. Those houses. This is gonna be a little difficult. I'm going to ask Daniel. Daniel, go ahead.
Okay. Those houses. أولئك 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 البيوت.
Hold on a second now.
أولئك البيوت.
Okay, listen. What is the singular for house?
بيت.
Baytun. The plural is buyutun.
Yeah.
What kind of plural it is?
It's broken plural.
Broken plurals are treated as what?
Singular feminine.
So the pointing word should be singular feminine or masculine plural? What it should be?
Oh, it should be singular feminine. There should be tilkal buyutu.
Well, to make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to think before you speak, right? Okay, good. Good job, Daniel. Okay, one more and then we go to the breakout room. There are more examples, so everybody gets a chance to do them. Okay. This earth. About a beer, inshallah.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
This would be هذه.
Sorry, say it again.
هذه هذه الأرض
Urdu.
Why you made it feminine? Why?
Because it's broken, so it's treated as singular feminine.
Urdu is not a broken plural.
Oh, I know, it's
Yeah, it's
linguistic
linguistic
reason.
reason. Arabs treat Ard as feminine, so that is why it is feminine. There is no other reason. In Arabic language, the word Ard or Arth in English, we call it, is feminine. So we have to use a feminine pointing word. A feminine ismul ishara. Good. So I stop here, and then we can go into the breakout room. And yeah, please use the same pattern and try to figure out the translation. There will be many more words that we can do, inshallah. There will be some. If you can do this, then you can be assured that you know this. There are going to be some complex examples here. So let's go to the breakout room now.